Hi everyone. Today I just like to show you how to install a corner stand, whatever you call it. I don't know. I just want to tell you how to install a corner stand for your decoration, something if you want to stand. For me, I need to put the heater here because cold room. It is cold room. I just want to place the heater or air filter or something because I have lots of kids running around. I don't want to leave the heaters on the ground. I just want to keep it in high to avoid the tip it over or something. Okay. What I got here about a piece of wood. It is about 9-inch width, 9-inch width, and length about 22 inch, less than 2 feet, and you have to cut it corner ways in order to fit here. Okay. How did I made this? I cut it out from a straight piece of wood. I cut it this way. Okay. How did I do that? I use simple trick. I just take the paper, any waste paper, thick paper, not just take this construction paper. What I do, I just make it this way, put it this way. Okay. Okay, I put it this way and approximate. I'm gonna cut it across like this. Okay. Straight across. Now I cut it like this for my measurement. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this angle as my measurement. I put it like this. Okay, this is straight wood. I got it straight wood plank like this, and I put it. What I did, I put it like this and draw a line across both line, and I cut it with the saw. That's how I made it. Easy way. Okay. Then I took two pieces of wood, each 1 feet. Each 1 feet. Okay. It's also 1 feet. Approximate 1.5 inch width. 1.5 inch is 1 feet. I'm gonna put two pieces of wood like this, and I'm gonna screw it here. I already made the hole, and I'm gonna screw this piece like this first. Okay. How much height you want to put it cornerstone? You just make it and draw a line straight, approximate. Put this piece of wood and make a straight line. Okay. I took 4 screw, which is 1.5 inch. Okay. This thickness of this piece is only about 7/8. Okay, 7/8, less than 1 inch. Okay. Then when I use 1.5 inch, is enough space to catch it on the wall to make it strong. Okay, I'm gonna put screw in. I install one piece of wood first, and what I going to do, I'm going to install this here to take the other piece measurement, where in the wall I supposed to here or here. I don't want to make height difference. I just want to make it straight. First, after I install this, I'm gonna put this here for measurement, straight, not tilt it, put it strongly straight, and I put this for measurement. Okay, now this is straight, not tilting. Okay, now this plank is seated on these two pieces of wood, and I mark it with pencil here. I mark it. Okay. Okay, one thing remember, I put the piece here. Okay, I take out. Okay, put it nice and straight without tilting the wood. Okay, seated good, and I took this out and I mark it here. Okay, and one thing don't forget, I left about 1.5 inch here. When I installed these two piece wood, I made a distance from the corner 1.5 inch in order to get the wire, electric wire from the outlet. I want to put wire hole. That's why there is a gap here. I can put the wire in. Okay, don't forget, just keep it little bit away from the corner. And it's also, don't forget, this piece never be more than, it shouldn't be more than this plank. Okay, exactly the less than size from the plank. So it's supposed to be fit. Don't extend this piece like this. If it's extended, it looks so bad. The piece will extend like this, it looks so bad. Then piece should be less than the width of the plank. Okay, or exactly same. Now it is 1.5 inch screw, 4 screw to install this plank onto that wood. Okay, 1.5 inch, almost this is half inch, I think more than half inch, 7, 8, and this much for to catch. Look, this much, about 700, more than half inch to catch. Then only make it strong. I'm going to install 2 screw here, 4 screw onto this wood. Now I install the screw from the top to this wood. Sometimes the drill cannot go if it's close to the wall. Better use a hand screwdriver. Now it's fitted perfectly. Okay, now I can, for me I need to put the heaters on top of this. I left a hole here in the corner to go through the wire. Now our corner stand fit perfectly. Now heater can turn oscillate both direction because there is enough gap, and this is my initial purpose. Or if you like any decorative materials, as you like apparels or something. This is simple job. You could do this within 15 minutes, and thanks for watching. Thank you.